Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful woodcrafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's start today video. So friends, woodcrafting is one of the oldest and most loved form of handmade art. It's combined creative skill and imagination to create decoration that are both beautiful and useful. One of the best varieties making a wooden welcoming a handmade wooden board with a warm greeting can make your front door feel more inviting and add charm to your room. Handmade wooden shelves are another popular area. They are perfect for display, book, indoor plants, candles, family photos, and small decorative pieces while keeping your space organized. Just a wooden chair, both stylish, practical. They can hold kind of flower, coffee, mug, or seasonal decoration, creating beautiful centerpiece for dining and coffee tables. Wooden candle holder add warmth to every room. Their nature takes to create a cozy atmosphere, especially during quiet evening or family gathering. And viewers, my next area is weavers. Wooden candle holder and warm every room. Their nature attracts to create a cozy atmosphere, especially during quiet evening or family gathering. Decorate wooden picture frame help process your favorite memories, whether paint or left in their natural finish. They add a personal touch to your home decor. And the weavers. So friends, my next idea is weavers. Sorry, I hope you are enjoying more videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.